Application Wahoo Incorporated doing business as Genki Yacht. Hugh Tai Dong Wang, manager, holder of a wine malt restaurant license at 231 LF Brook Parkway, has applied for a change of manager to David Van Nang Wang, new stockholder, transfer of stock, and new officer director. So I spoke with attorney who, she's not able to be here this morning. She understood what the problems were in terms of this application due to the License Commission's rules and regulations in regard to non-transferable licenses, and I told her I would speak with her later on today in regard to whatever the board thinks is the best way to go forward with this.
So just say it to me again. Spoke to the attorney and...
She's not available. Right. So technically, under our rules and regs, the way this appears by losing some stockholders and bringing in stockholders, that it actually is a transfer that's not allowed under our rules because it's a no-value license. It's a no-value, non-transferable license.
Is anyone else here for Genki?
I didn't see
No.
The other question, Ms. Lind, is at the ABCC, though. What, do we have a problem then?
The problem is that this would then proceed as a new license application for a new no-value, non-transferable license. The ABCC really disapproves of the way that we handle some of these, and they have told us in the past that it's really a change of officers and directors and a transfer of stock and new stockholders. So we get into that catch-22. I did put a call in again this morning to the ABCC. I have not spoken with anybody there as yet today. The other problem is if it's a new license application, then the existing license would have to be turned in at the time, to the commission at the time that the new application is sent to the ABCC, and that could seriously hamper their business.
So they would have no liquor license during
Correct.
a period of time that it's adjudicated at
Correct.
the ABCC.
So I guess there's one or two ways we go. We can continue the matter to bring the applicant back in to see if there is a willingness on their part to go for a period of time without a license, or we could simply go ahead and deny the transfer based on the fact that it's not permissible by our regulations. So I'm looking to the chief to figure out which course, which direction we'd like to go with that.
I think I would opt to give them the time to continue, at which time, if we can, then it may have to be denial at that point, but give them the opportunity to.
Well, that would give them the opportunity to file an application for a new license.
Right. Do you know, do we have a deadline by which we have to act?
We do. Although she was inclined to
She
follow
would
whatever.
agree
Yes.
to extend that?
Yeah.
So I guess I make a motion that we continue this to whatever date the council feel that works.
So can I make an amendment? I mean, because they're already operating with a new set of officers and directors in violation, or technically in violation of their current license, that we do it sooner than later and just get an indication from them what they're willing to do as opposed to pushing it out too far. So
We can ask them to come out on September 8th.
So do we have a motion? So that
The motion would be to continue to September 8th.